Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Autoruns step by step. Autoruns is a free Microsoft Sysinternals utility that lets you view and manage everything that starts automatically with Windows, including startup programs, services, scheduled tasks, drivers, and more. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Autoruns or Autoruns Sysinternals. From the search results, open the official Microsoft Sysinternals download page. Downloading the tool directly from Microsoft's official website ensures you get the latest and safest version. Once you're on the download page, click the Download Autoruns button. Your browser will begin downloading a compressed zip file that contains the application. Depending on your internet connection, the download should finish within a few moments. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and confirm that the zip file has been saved successfully. At this stage, you've successfully downloaded the application. You can extract the zip file whenever you're ready to start using Autoruns. If you plan to use Autoruns regularly, consider moving the downloaded zip file or the extracted folder to a dedicated Utilities folder so it's easy to find in the future. Since Autoruns is portable, you can even keep it on a USB drive and use it on other Windows computers when needed. And that's it. You now know how to download Autoruns safely from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks